This is the Mark Twain Library, your Overdrive tutorial. As always, we begin at the marktwainlibrary.org website. From the navigation pane, go to How Do I and select Download eBooks and Audiobooks. From your selection, we go to Overdrive and click on Get Started. In the Get Started, if you have not logged in, it will ask you which city and library you're using. For our purposes here, it's Reading and Mark Twain Library. Your card number is your library card number. This is a temporary card number. You're going to click on Sign In. Upon successful sign-in, you'll be routed to Overdrive. You have your selection of collections, Kindle books, kids, and teens. Again, Mark Twain Library, Overdrive tutorial.